Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Blue Pea lemonade recipe, ideal as a healthy summer cooler. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the lemonade, I'm using about 3 to 4 blue pea flour, also known as butterfly pea flour or Shanku Pushpam in Malayalam. Blue pea flour is rich in antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Now, these days you can source dried blue pea flour online. This is fresh from my garden. Into a glass mug, I'm adding in the blue pea flour. Add in 1 cup of hot boiling water, 1 tablespoon sweetener of your choice. I'm using raw sugar and give this all a good mix. Allow it to cool down completely. Okay, now it has cooled down and I'm removing the flours. Into a serving glass, I'm adding in some ice cubes. Pour the blue pea flour water over it. Squeeze in half a lemon. As you add lemon into the blue pea water, the color will change. Lastly, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon black salt, also known as kala namak, and I'm giving this a good mix. And my blue pea lemonade is ready to serve. So guys, do try this lemonade and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.